If your engagement on social media is dropping, here are three things you can do to jack things up. Number one, audit what just happened. If you just had a viral post or promoted the content, it is normal if engagement drops after that traction. Number two, review your content plan. Did you change your approach, your style, your format, or anything in your content? You might want to introduce your old pattern and compare it with the new pattern to check and see if the problem is with your content. Number three, fix your community management. Check through your old posts, reply unreplied comments, DMs. You could also take things further and engage with your target audience on their personal profiles or on pull accounts for social media accounts where that is applicable. Just as a bonus point, you might want to introduce paid promotion to amplify your engagement and your overall profile activity. Follow for more tips.